Hello everyone, my name is BHUVAN. I am studying in first year CSC branch. My startup company name is BIDTK258 Venture. Product presented name Wallet. Product proposed name Smart Wallet. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feelings about the product are said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, fingerprint unlock system. Second one, GPS tracking. Defined based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Wallet, futuristic product name Smart Wallet. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, water resistance. Second one, AI feature. Third one, fingerprint sensor. Fourth one, GPS tracking. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advises to draw the sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment opinion to satisfy the testing stage.